nature, characteristics, and elements of community. One, a group of people. Two, a definite locality. Three, community sentiment. Four, nationality. Five, permanency. Six, similarity. Seven, wider ends. 8, total organized social life. 9, a particular name. 10, no legal status. 11, size of community. 12, concrete nature. Meaning of community can be better understood if we analyze its characteristics or elements. These characteristics decide whether a group is community or not. However, community has the following characteristics or elements. One, a group of people. A group of people is the most fundamental, essential characteristic or element of community. This group may be small or large, but community always refers to a group of people. Because without a group of people, we cannot think of community. When a group of people live together and share a common life, and binded by a strong sense of community, consciousness, at that moment, a community is formed. Hence, a group of people is the first prerequisite of community. Second, a definite locality. It is the next important characteristic of a community, because community is a territorial group. A group of people alone cannot form a community. A group of people forms a community only when they reside in definite territory. The territory need not be fixed forever. A group of people like nomadic people may change their habitations, but majority of community are settled, and a strong bond of unity and solidarity is derived from their living in a definite locality. 3. Community sentiment. It is another important characteristics or element of community, because without community sentiment, a community cannot be formed. Only with a group of people and a definite locality. Community sentiment refers to a strong sense of feeling among the members, or a feeling of belonging together. It refers to a sentiment of community living that exists among the members of a locality because of common living within an area for a long time. A sentiment of common living is created among the members of that area. With this, the members emotionally identify themselves. This emotional identification of the members distinguishes them from the members of other community. Four, naturality. Communities are naturally organized. It is neither a product of human will nor created by an act of government. It grows spontaneously. Individuals become the member by birth. 5. Permanence. Community is always permanent group. It refers to a permanent living of individuals within a definite territory. It is not temporary like that of a crowd or association. Six, similarity. The members of a community are similar in a number of ways. As they live within a definite locality, they lead a common life and share common ends. Among the members, similarity in language, culture, customs and traditions, and in many other things is observed. Similarities in this respect are responsible for the development of community sentiment. Seven, wider ends. A community has wider ends. Members of a community associate not for the fulfillment of a particular end, but for a variety of ends. These are natural for a community. 8. Total organized social life. A community is marked by total organized social life. It means a community includes all aspects of social life. Hence, a community is a society in miniature. 9. a particular name. Every community has a particular name by which it is known to the world. Members of a community are also identified by that name. For example, people living in Odisha is known as Odia. No legal status. A community has no legal status because it is not a legal person. It has no rights and duties in eyes of law. It is not created by the law of the land. 11. Size of community. A community is classified on the basis of its size. It may be big or small. Village is an example of small community, whereas a nature or even the world is an example of big community. Both the type of community are essential for human life. 12. Concrete nature. A community is concrete in nature as it refers to a group of people living in particular locality. We can see its existence. Hence, it is concrete. 13. Different. A community exists within society and possesses different structure which distinguishes it from others. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.